Seventh one, write a Python program to get the Fibonacci series between 0 and 50. 0 and 50, we want get the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series means, suppose I will tell you examples. If you want 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 2, comma 3, comma 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, so on, like that. That means, see, first two numbers are same, 0 and 1, and third number will get the by adding the preceding two numbers, okay, and fourth number will get the by adding the preceding two numbers, 1 plus 2, 5 is 2 plus 3, 8 means 3 plus 5, 13 means 5 plus 8, okay, so on. That's about the Fibonacci series. So we'll get the output like that, up to 50 numbers only. We want to get the output up to 50 numbers. The question is, write a Python program to get the Fibonacci series between 0 and 50. Okay, 0 and 50 numbers, we have to get it. Okay, so many ways you can do. Using for loop you can do, using functions you can do, so many ways, but I'm writing a simple one. Okay, first you initialize x comma y is equal to 0 comma 1 while y less than 50. No, we want up to 50 here. Okay, y less than 50, print y, print y comma, and give some space here, otherwise. Okay, cursor move to the next line. Now simple logic, x comma y is equal to, just swapping here, y comma x plus y, because simple logic it is, because it adds a preceding number. No, x plus y means it adds a preceding number and will assign to y. Okay, it will repeat the loop until y less than 50 here. Okay, so get the output. See, check the output here. Okay, 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21, 13 plus 8 21, 21 plus 13 34. Okay, so that's simple. You can use for loop, you can use recursion, you can using Fibonacci series, you can do Fibonacci using for loop function. So many ways you can do it, but this is the simplest way to get the number 50.